Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi everyone, today's video is going to be very important for Indian users because in this video we are going to show an important Indian application developed by Indian government. Few days back I have shown you one application called Sugyama Bharat, where you can get a lot of services of Indian government, and the application is completely accessible with screen readers. So if you missed that video, you can watch that video from our YouTube channel. Today I am here with another important application of Indian government, though this is this application is not 100% accessible, but still you can use it properly. So guys, my name is Ratul. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, V.I Tech Academy. If you want to get personalized training on basic to advanced computers such as MS Word, Excel, Internet, PowerPoint, WordPress, web development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, or Python or any other topic, you can visit our website from the about page of our channel and you can join our course. The application which I'm gonna talk about today is Sanchar Saathi. You may get this application link through your operator, but I will provide the link in the video description box on our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So you should join there. You must join there. Let me tell you about this application. This application contains some important features related to your mobile phone and other things, especially the cyber security related things. So in this application you can check how many SIMs or how many SIM cards are there with your name, with a number. You can block unwanted SIM cards or the number which you are not using. You can unblock the number. You can block any mobile phone, in lost mobile phone. You can verify the IMEI details of any mobile phone. So these are few services which I'm gonna explain, or which I'll try to show you. So first of all, let me open the application.
Scanner, Sanchar Saathi.
When first time you open this application, you are required to sign in using your mobile number and other details. You can use this application in various Indian languages such as English, Hindi, other languages also.
Sanchar Saathi.
So when I open the application,
Open navigation menu.
Open navigation route is there.
Sanchar Saathi.
Sanchar Saathi is there.
Button.
Then one button.
Detected. Image. Logo is an app icon. Description accuracy. Medium text. G.
Okay, then
Button.
another
Citizen-centric service.
citizen-centric service.
Chachu. Report suspected fraud communication.
So here you can report the suspected fraud communication. Okay, let's move here.
Back. Sanchar Saathi. Button. Chachu. Report. Medium of suspected fraud communication.
Medium of
Please select how you received the. Select medium. Button.
So let's suppose you received
Chachu.
any
Report suspected fraud communication.
fraud calls, fraud messages. So you can upload the proofs of those chats or calls, call recordings if you have, and you can report that. Okay, this is the first option. Second is
Block your lost stolen mobile handset.
block your lost stolen handset. So here you need to provide some handset related details and then you can block.
No mobile connections in your name.
No mobile connections in your name. So let's see, I'm just going here.
Back. Button. Sanchar's button. Button. No mobile connections in.
I have just put my number.
Mobile numbers registered. 2.
And now below that you can see this mobile number registered to. By the way, I have already blurred the numbers because it's a YouTube issues. Yes, I have two numbers. One is I am using
9100 registered. Button disabled.
Okay, registered.
9162 unlabeled.
Some other numbers.
Select button.
Now you can
unlabeled.
select the number,
Select
any
button.
number.
Alert.
Next, see if you want to block or something, then
Not my number. Radio button. Select an
Especially
option.
this,
Not my number.
not my number.
Required. Radio button.
required,
Not required. Radio button.
not required.
Not required. Radio button.
So
Required.
just
Not my
I'm
number.
choosing not my
Check.
number, for example,
Required.
and
Not
then
okay button.
click on OK. Once I click on OK,
Submit.
then
Button
I can
disabled.
submit the request to block this number or to delete this
No mobile
number.
connections in your name.
I mean deregister this number. Okay. So this is the way you can check how many connections are there in your number. If you suspect a number, you can report the fraud.
No genuineness of your mobile handset.
No genuineness of your mobile handset, that I will show you a little bit later.
Report incoming international call with Indian number.
Then if you want to report some international calls which comes from Indian number, definitely you can report here.
Stop recording.
That's it.
No genuineness of your mobile
So
handset.
just I am going to show you know the genuineness of your mobiles. So now let me tell you how you can check the genuineness of your mobile number.
Sanchar, open navigation.
Sorry,
Sanchar, button. Chat to.
So
Block your.
let me just
No
go to
mobile
this.
connect. No genuineness of your. Back button.
So I'm just going to this, then I'm swiping from left to right.
Sanchar button. No genuineness of your mobile handset. IMEI information can be accessed by setting. About phone. Enter 15 digits IMEI. Edit box.
So here you need to put the IMEI number, which you can easily get from the about phone. It is also available at the box, mobiles box, or I'll tell you another way to get it. So just I'm pasting
Showing
the
recently copied or
number.
captured. 86648. Open features menu. Editing 8664. No characters remaining. Submit button.
And then click on submit
Keyboard hidden.
and see.
Or tap here to scan IMEI button. IMEI information. IMEI.
information.
Marketing name. Brand name. Model name. Manufacturer. Device type. Do you like this app? Yes button. No.
Okay.
Sanchar Saathi. Button. Button. Dismiss. Enter 15 3. Button. Smartphone. IMEI.
See.
Button. IMEI. 866487073
This is the IMEI number?
9688. 2406 or 9 CI.
This is the model.
Redmi.
Redmi.
2406 or 9 CI. Xiaomi Communications Co. Limited.
This is the company name.
Smartphone.
And this is the
Stop
device
recording.
name.
Button. Windows screen
So
recorder.
this way-
Smartphone. Windows Sanchar Saathi.
This way you can identify whether you are purchasing the right smartphone or not. You have purchased the right smartphone or not. How to get the IMEI number? Just dial *#06# from your dial bar of your phone. You will get your IMEI numbers. Pick any one of them and enter here. So these are the features of Sanchar Saathi application, and I have shown you how you can use this using TalkBack. And the navigation drawer, you might find some other features which you can explore yourself. That's it for this video. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.